Are you looking for the latest and greatest gadgets to add to your collection? Well, look no further because in this video, we'll be showcasing 5 awesome gadgets that you can buy this year. These gadgets are sure to impress with their cutting-edge features and sleek designs. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the latest and greatest gadgets that will enhance your daily life. Let's get started. Number 5. Mandala EDC Knife. The Mandala EDC Knife is a titanium alloy knife with a blade made from M390 steel. The knife has an enamel inlay and is lightweight and durable, making it suitable for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, or anyone in need of a reliable tool. The knife has a flipper opening, liner lock, roller bearing, and a minimalist appearance. The knife is crafted entirely from CNC technology, and its multifaceted surface offers enhanced grip and control. The dagger-like shape of the blade offers enhanced control and precision, making it perfect for intricate cuts and piercing tasks. The knife has a high-quality GR5 titanium frame, and the blade is made with M390 steel, which is very tough and has excellent wear resistance and great edge retention. The enamel layer enhances the knife's aesthetic appeal and adds an extra layer of protection. The knife has a flipper tab for easy one-handed operation and a liner lock mechanism for added safety. Number 4. Sphero SPRK Plus. The Sphero SPRK Plus is a robot ball that can be programmed and controlled through various apps. It comes with programmable sensors and LED lights, allowing for endless play experiences and coding conditions for all levels. The Sphero Edu app allows for easy programming using JavaScript, while the Sphero Play app lets you drive and play games with your coding bot. The robot is scratch-resistant, waterproof, and charges inductively, and can connect via Bluetooth Smart. Sphero is an educational tool that aims to inspire creativity and curiosity in coding, science, music, and the arts. Number 3. Bakebros Pizza Oven. The Bakebros Outdoor Pizza Oven is a portable gas-fired oven that comes with a pizza peel stone and a built-in infrared thermometer. It can reach high temperatures of over 932 Fahrenheit in just 60 seconds, allowing you to make authentic 12 Neapolitan pizzas with artisanal crusts. The oven is easy to transport and set up with retractable legs and a carry bag. It has instant gas power and adjustable heat control for cooking various foods such as meat, fish, and vegetables. The oven is ETL certified for safety, with body insulation to reduce skin burns and an overheat protection device to ensure 100% safe cooking. Number 2. KOKONI SOTA. KOKONI SOTA is a 3D printer that features an upside-down design for fast and stable printing and can print up to 10 times faster than conventional consumer-level 3D printers with up to 7 colors. It comes with an AI-powered KOKONI app that can turn a 2D image into a 3D model, and advanced features like AI radar detection, error compensation, and an optical radar that reads level depth information to calibrate the flow. The printer has a closed-loop motor for the X and Y axis to ensure printing accuracy, and is user-friendly, assembly-free, and consumes 76% less power than other printers. The KOKONI app also offers a one-click cloud printing solution for beginners and supports conventional 3D model slicers like the Cura slicer. Number 1. KPKUE X50. The KPKUE X50 is a triple-screen portable monitor designed for laptops with a Type-C port. It allows for easy setup with just one cable for data, audio, video transmission, and power supply. The monitor supports Windows systems and can extend the display of laptops, ranging from 11.6 to 15 inches diagonally. It features a 13.3-inch Full HD 1080-pixel IPS screen with HDR mode and anti-dizziness and low blue light functions. The monitor also has an independent frame design and a 30 decto 60 degrees adjustable kickstand, making it ideal for travel,